Welcome back to Viral Vars, your ultimate destination for the latest car reviews, automotive news, and in-depth analysis of the newest vehicles in the market. Today we are diving into one of the most exciting hybrid SUVs making waves globally, the 2026 BYD Sealion 6. This modern and futuristic SUV is quickly gaining attention for its bold design, advanced hybrid technology, premium interior, and impressive efficiency. If you are looking for a stylish family SUV that blends performance with sustainability, the 2026 BYD Sealion 6 deserves your full attention. The 2026 BYD Sealion 6 stands out with a sleek and aerodynamic exterior design that reflects BYD's ocean-inspired design philosophy. The front fascia features sharp LED headlights, a wide grille with chrome accents, and a sculpted bumper that gives it a confident road presence. The flowing body lines enhance the SUV's sporty appearance while also improving aerodynamics. At the rear, slim LED taillights connected by a light bar create a premium and modern look. The alloy wheels are available in multiple sizes, adding to the dynamic stance of the vehicle. Overall, the Sealion 6 looks futuristic yet practical, making it perfect for urban and highway driving. Under the hood, the 2026 BYD Sealion 6 comes equipped with a highly efficient plug-in hybrid powertrain. It combines a fuel-efficient petrol engine with an advanced electric motor powered by BYD's renowned Blade battery technology. This setup delivers strong acceleration while maintaining excellent fuel economy. The combined output provides smooth and responsive performance, making overtaking and highway cruising effortless. The hybrid system intelligently switches between electric and petrol modes to maximize efficiency. In electric-only mode, the Sealion 6 offers a respectable driving range, making it ideal for daily commuting without consuming fuel. One of the biggest highlights of the Sealion 6 is its exceptional fuel efficiency. Thanks to its plug-in hybrid system, drivers can enjoy significantly lower fuel consumption compared to traditional SUVs. When fully charged, the vehicle can operate primarily on electric power for short trips, reducing emissions and saving money on fuel. The regenerative braking system also helps recharge the battery while driving, improving overall efficiency. Step inside the 2026 BYD Sealion 6 and you are welcomed by a spacious, premium, and technology-packed cabin. The interior design focuses on comfort and minimalism. High-quality materials, soft-touch surfaces, and elegant stitching give the SUV a luxurious feel. The seats are supportive and comfortable, offering ample legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers. The panoramic sunroof enhances the sense of openness and allows natural light to fill the cabin. The dashboard features a large rotating touchscreen infotainment system, which is one of BYD's signature technologies. This display supports smartphone connectivity, navigation, Bluetooth, and voice commands. The digital instrument cluster provides clear driving information, including hybrid system details and battery status. The intuitive interface ensures that drivers can easily control various vehicle functions without distraction. Multiple USB ports, wireless charging, and premium audio systems add convenience and entertainment for passengers. Safety is a major priority in the 2026 BYD Sealion 6. The SUV is equipped with advanced driver assistance systems designed to enhance protection and reduce the risk of accidents. Features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, rear cross-traffic alert, and a 360-degree camera system. These technologies work together to provide a confident and secure driving experience. The strong body structure and multiple airbags further enhance passenger safety. In terms of practicality, the Sealion 6 offers a generous cargo area suitable for family trips and daily errands. The rear seats can be folded to expand storage space, making it versatile for carrying luggage, groceries, or sports equipment. The smart key system and electric tailgate add convenience for busy lifestyles. The driving experience of the 2026 BYD Sealion 6 is smooth and refined. The suspension system is tuned to absorb road imperfections effectively, providing a comfortable ride even on uneven surfaces. The steering is light yet precise, making city driving easy while maintaining stability at higher speeds. The transition between electric and petrol power is seamless, ensuring a quiet and relaxed driving experience. In electric mode, the cabin remains nearly silent, enhancing overall comfort. Charging the Sealion 6 is simple and convenient. It supports home charging as well as public charging stations. With fast charging capability, the battery can be recharged in a relatively short time, allowing drivers to maximize electric driving benefits. The battery management system ensures long-term durability and safety, which is one of BYD's strong points in the electric vehicle market. Another impressive aspect of the 2026 BYD Sealion 6 is its value for money. Compared to many competitors in the hybrid SUV segment, it offers advanced technology, premium features, and strong efficiency at a competitive price point. This makes it an attractive option for buyers who want to transition to hybrid mobility without compromising on comfort or performance. The exterior color options are designed to appeal to modern buyers, offering elegant and sporty shades that enhance the vehicle's bold personality. The aerodynamic design not only improves fuel efficiency but also reduces wind noise, making highway drives more enjoyable. For families, the Sealion 6 provides excellent reliability and practicality. The spacious rear seats, child safety features, and smooth ride quality make it a perfect choice for daily school runs and long road trips. The advanced climate control system ensures that passengers remain comfortable in all weather conditions. Technology enthusiasts will appreciate the intelligent connectivity features of the Sealion 6. Over-the-air software updates keep the system up to date, while smart driving modes allow customization of performance and efficiency settings. Drivers can monitor battery usage, fuel consumption, and driving data in real time through the digital display. Overall, the 2026 BYD Sealion 6 represents a perfect balance between innovation, efficiency, and practicality. It showcases BYD's commitment to sustainable mobility while delivering modern design, advanced safety, and premium comfort. With its plug-in hybrid technology, impressive electric range, spacious interior, and competitive pricing, it stands as a strong competitor in the growing hybrid SUV market. If you are considering upgrading to a smarter and more efficient SUV, the 2026 BYD Sealion 6 should definitely be on your list. It offers everything from stylish looks and strong performance to cutting-edge technology and outstanding fuel savings. Thank you for watching Viral Vars. If you enjoyed this detailed review of the 2026 BYD Sealion 6, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting car reviews, comparisons, and the latest automotive updates. Stay connected and keep supporting Viral Vars for more amazing content.